Yes, yes, my convenience man.
Whatever.
Murphy can't sing.
Maybe. What's the sound of maybe? There you go. There you go.
Let's go see the pigeons. Let's go see the pigeons. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Let's go, let's go. Okay, Papa, don't get jealous. Let's go. Murphy, let's go. Let me see my giant runts. Whoa, they're gorgeous. Whoa. Giant runts compared to the king pigeons, guys.
It's not like it.
Can you see
Look,
the
look at
difference?
this one here. This one here look like a giant one.
Yeah, that's true. That's a king pigeon.
It's a king pigeon, but they big. But I like them.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
See that man I like? Yeah. And I like that chocolate one here too. That chocolate one here looks like it's out of eggs.
Maybe she needs the nest. You're building the nest for them?
I'm building some. She looks like she got eggs on.
Hey, guys. Hi.
Yes, she do.
Hi, mommies, babies. Don't.
Baby,
Yeah.
look. You see that chocolate right here? That's the only one of them is kind of like small to me. The male black. This is John still, but it just.
His head is huge.
But I don't know, but his body.
It's short.
No, they have different kind of giant. That's the thing.
Oh.
They have short kind. They have, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But there's a giant. But I already check it out. But one thing. That's the one with the chocolate, but yeah, I'm gonna change them tonight. You know that? I'm gonna change them. The chocolate, I'm planning to put them with this big guy right here. That one small, the young one. That's a young one. That's the young one. I'm planning to put them with that.
Oh, I didn't
guy
put the
right
shelf that you put. Let me videotape the shelf.
Huh?
He added some shelves so they can cool down and
here. But that
relax
kid's
up
still
there.
small for them birds, so you know.
So they can stay away from the other birds and have a place to land. Hey, Papi! Pachi, Papi!